4th of July week, everybody. As you can see, the car is loaded up this morning, heading up to Huntington. The big box to my right is actually the previous Pano tube head, as that needs to be scheduled to be picked up by FedEx. So had a little bit of miscommunication with our Patterson tech about how to send that back, but got that all squared away yesterday. Again, there's always complexities, and just to send back your Pano and be regulatory compliant, that's about $300. So add that into your CapEx to buying a new Pano, because you also get a little poke in the eye of sending the old one back. So and on that, wanted to have another segment of what in the CapEx for the Pano process in general. So what we learned, again, coming to Huntington, make sure the electrical setup is either 120 or 240. The volts have to be accurate so that the machine can function properly. Make sure you have some Ethernet cords as well, because it needs to be plugged into the network. It cannot run on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a capture station for it. So you have to have a Windows operating system for most of the Panos, at least that I'm familiar with. So again, it's not just buying that Pano. You got to have the network in place. You have to have the electrical in place, the capture station, and making sure everything communicates properly to each other. So there's a lot that goes into these things. So I like to make these videos because it always seems like it's like, what, $100 for my Pano, or whatever that cost may be. It's like, for one image, why? And again, think about all the costs I just ran through. In your Pano, your average Pano is going to last about 10 years. You get them serviced every year. Once a year, somebody from a radiation tester will come out, service your machine, make sure everything's up to code. So again, there's a lot of costs that go into these things. So comment down below, let me know what you guys are curious in learning more about, and I hope everybody has an awesome 4th of July and Independence Day weekend. Cheers.